So we want to find the graph of f of x equals 3 to the x power. Now we know this is an exponential function because it's raised to an exponent. So how exactly am I going to find it? Now let's say you can't use your calculator, because if you could use your calculator, boom, you're done. But if we need to kind of go old school and actually plot some points, let's do it that way. So we're going to do a t-table. So I'm going to do my values of x. Now you're probably asking yourself, how many values do I need to do? Most instructors say a minimum of 3 points is what you need. The problem is if those 3 points are all close together, you're never going to get a correct curve. So I recommend that you go from -3 to +3. That just gives you some space, and it doesn't make the numbers huge that, oh, I skipped a number, that you can't actually work with them. So when I'm doing this now, I'm just going to plug this value in for x in f of x. So this is going to be f of x. So I'm just going to write these out so we can see what they look like first, and then I'm going to solve them. So I have each one of these. Remember, it's nothing fancy. I'm just plugging it directly into f of x. Now, once you get these all written, what you're going to do is we're actually going to solve them. For most students, the positive exponents are the easiest. So let's do those first. So anything to the 0 power is always 1. 3 to the first is 3, 3 squared is 9, 3 cubed is 27. Now if I have those, I can find the negative exponent counterparts, right? Because I know it's just going to be 1 over whatever I originally got. So 3 to the -1 is going to be 1/3. This one would be 1/9, and this would be 1/27. So what I want to do now is I actually need to plot these on my graph. And rather than me showing you how to plot every one of them, you should pause the video, plot your own, come back and check your answer. So I chose 3 points. I chose -1, 0, and 1 in which to plot. Once I did that, I got the curve, and I know that since at any of my negative exponents is becoming a smaller and smaller fraction, it's getting really, really close to 0, but it's never going to touch it. So I actually just drew it so it was kind of getting closer and closer. So hopefully this is what your graph looks like.